Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss with AngeliaBliss Art at Angiesartasylum. I hope you guys are well, and I am going to try another bloom blowout. So we are just going to get started here. So I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have my Multi-Pro PPG in my white and pastel base in Eggshell. And I'm using the same colors I had in the previous one that I sold and did not get a dried result from. Hopefully I won't do that to you guys this time. I was so excited though. All right, we're just gonna lay this down. This is the Quinacridone Arteza Gold and the Arteza Gold with the very faint addition of the QNAG mixed with the spoon inside it just to give it a little more punch. It was a little muted. I'm going to do the custom purple that I made, and I made this purple out of Alizarin crimson and turquoise blue. It's almost like a chalky purple, like a grayish purple, really pretty. And I have the Interference Gold by Golden Interference Gold Fine. I have the blue that I made. It's the Amsterdam Brilliant Blue mixed with the Folk Art Treasure Gold. Thinking it is the blue quartz. I thought it was aquamarine, but I think it's blue quartz. And then I have the CA, which is the permanent blue violet and the Paynes gray in Amsterdam. Here we go. A little bit. Pop a little bit in there. Add some paint to the sides. Oh, that's pretty. I like the center better on this one because I didn't stick my head in it and blow. I brought my little hose with me, so I was able to deliberately put the air where I wanted it. Got lots of lacing on this side, not so much on this side, but it's okay. I'm just gonna give it a spin. It's not as blue in the middle as it was before, which I like. It's got a little more of that purple in there too. Quite pretty though. Let's see if I can tilt this up a little bit. So glad you guys are here to watch me on my journey. I appreciate each and every one of you being here and watching my videos. Just makes me want to paint even more. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think of these. I would appreciate the feedback. If if you have any. That's pretty. The last one dried really good. I just felt like it may have had a little bit too much paint left on it. So I want to be really sure this time. I think my blowout needs to work, but I'm thinking definitely am moving in the right direction. Hopefully I didn't spin that too hard. Make it all wonky. Oh, that's pretty. I love this right here. Oh, that's pretty. And you can spin it hard enough, it'll stretch out. You don't want to sling it off really hard when you first start spinning. Or just kind of ease it off. And then once it kind of spreads out, you're able to push it a little faster. I think anyway. I could be totally wrong. I don't know. Oh, it's beautiful. I could sit and watch this spin all day. Pretty. The bloom's not right in the center, so I like that. And I love this. Oh my gosh. The only place I didn't have cells come out is like right through here. I've been trying to get that to come down, but it's not going. Oh, it's pretty. So pretty. I love it. It is a lot of purple this time, but I can live with that. Okay, I'm going to move it off the spinner, get it level, and put it next to it on my table here, and then we'll do a wet flyover, and then we'll see how it dries. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. Oh, it's pretty. I said it's got more purple in this one. The other one had more blue. But it still did the, oh, that gold. I feel like it has less green where the blue mixed with the QNAG. But the center is much better. I love the center. Super, super pretty. Got a little more paint. I might use that same paint and layer it a different way and see what kind of outcome we get. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But for now, this is it. I will see you guys when it's dry. Thanks.